He is assed the fuck out, dude. He's dreaming. He's twitching. And snoring. See? Yeah, he's assed the fuck out. He's what I call dead sleep. Huh? 9? No? No, see, he is passed the fuck out. Like he had been drinking for the last fucking 16 hours, but like assed the fuck out. And I'm talking actual voice, like daily talking. Oh yeah, no, Scrambles is passed the fuck out. He's fucking, yeah, he's fucking drunk asleep, apparently. And snoring. Look at him, like there's his eyeball. Yeah, snore, snore, snore. Yeah, this is Sir Scrambles in all his glory. He is so handsome, snory man. He is so fucking cute. And if there's kids watching, I'm sorry. I have a potty mouth. Just please pardon my F-bombs. So just, you know, yeah. This is Sir Scrambles. Hi, buddy. Oh, handsome man. And then fucking fast asleep again. And then he's so fast asleep. Oh, hi, buddy. And then I get in sleep.